Okay, so Volkswagen Up pollen filter replacement. I've got my new filter here. It's located just under the dash there. There's no need for any tools and you don't have to take any covers off. It hinges at the back. To get it off, if you look up, you'll see on the front part here there's some tags either side. If you feel up the top, there's one there and there's one there. If you just pinch and pull down, there's your pollen filter, and then pull the plastic casing towards you. Pull out your pollen filter, noting where it tells you the airflow side should go. So you can see here it says airflow, which is pointing towards the centre console, which is this is a right-hand drive car. Take that out, grab your new filter, making sure your airflow is in the correct location, the correct direction. Pop it back in, so just push it back in again. Get rid of the mess. And then you just slot the hinge in the back, so you can see that there. Slot it in the back, bring the cover up, push, click it into place, and then get your hoover out and clear up all the mess you've made in the customer's car. Hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching.